These are some of the VHS recorders that I have in my garage. I tried to sell them $10 each in the garage sale that I did recently, but with no luck. I even tried to sell them for $5, but no one interested in old tech. I scrapped few before, but now I think I will get rid of them, just give them for free. Hopefully someone will be interested to pick them up. But before I do that, I thought, why not to shoot a video and tear down some or maybe all of them. Not today. Today I will probably I will do these two because they are similar. Panasonic. This one is the NV-FJ600 and this one is the NV-SJ200. They are close models. Few differences here and there. I got the remote control for this one. I think I got the remote control for this one. This remote control is for this one, I believe. And I need to look for remote controls that work with these two. Maybe these two as well in my remote control collection. So for now, let's start. Let's have a look at these two. Test them with some cassettes. I have a bunch here. Also, I don't know what's inside. I got them for free. And yeah, we'll test them and then look what's inside. So these are the two Panasonic VHS recorder. As we said, this is the NV-SJ200 and the NV-FJ600. Super Drive, Super LP for 12 hours recording and playback. Not sure what LP stands for. I think it's a long play, maybe. Super long play for 12-hour recording and playback. The design is very close, except there are a few changes, like this one is vertical almost, this one curve, and this one I think is more modern than that one. As you can see, this one says made in Japan. They are highlighting this. Nothing says nothing written on this one because this one was made in Malaysia or Malaysia. Here we have a door for composite multi-system PAL and TSC playback. These are, I'm not sure, video and audio in, so you can connect a camera or other device here. Super LP. Six head. This one is 6 head Super LP, while this one here is just 2 head. High 5, 12 hour, same thing. Long play, yeah, long play LP, I think. And this one, as you can see, the play is down while this is in the center. I'm not sure if this is a mistake when they screen printed it, it didn't center or not, not sure. Search, same thing. Rewind and fast forward and timer off and play. Eject button, same thing. These four the same and these are the same. This one, which is the older model, the Malaysian one has a bigger display. This one has a smaller one. This is a acrylic panel here. This one is just plastic. Let's have a look at the back. The Japanese one, the AC leads detachable, while this one is hardwired. Video output, 2 of them, and stereo, while this one is mono. This is the info for the Malaysian one, 16 watt, while this one is 18 watt. So let's turn them on and see how they work. As you can see, this one, see, there's a place for the wire here, but they didn't use it. Okay, let's start with this one. Video out, audio out, mono. I think it's on, but not sure. It's playing, but there's no image. There is no image. Okay, we have image. We got image, then it's disappeared. Ah, that's some sort of home video. Anyways, let's play something else. There's no label on this one, but it's home video. No, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so everything works with this one. Let's try the other one. Power off and change the variables. Works. Oh, that's the wrong one. The LCD display is exactly the same. CFL. We have audio but no picture. I think that's an issue with the cassette.
I want you to know how much I love and appreciate you. I do know. Oh, and I cleaned the bathroom and finished the laundry.
Nostalgia may be able to keep one just to play VHS cassettes, just for the nostalgia. Anyways, let's take them apart and see what's inside. Okay, so here they are. They are very simple. I remember the ones that I scrapped before. They were packed with the components and plastic, and these are very simple. This is the Japanese one, the Japanese build, and this is the Malaysian build VCR. The circuit board is almost identical. There's one difference. Here we have a daughter board, which is, I believe, for these connections. Here the daughter board is missing, but we still have the place for it. So this one is 6 head. Let's see if it's really 6 head. One. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I don't know. It looks like 4 or 5. This one is 2 heads. 1 and 2. 2 heads only. This is the head, the small dot. This is 1, and that's the other one. Okay, now we'll show you how it works with the cover open. Now it's, as you can see, it's working. The head is spinning. The head is spinning, and this is the tape going through around the head. to switch it off and eject. Doesn't work. And the other one, is it on? Yeah, it's on. For some reason, the cassette starts spinning straight away when you put the cassette in, even though it's not playing. Now it's playing, and you cannot stop it. Even when you switch it off, it keeps spinning. Press the stop button, keep spinning. It only works when you put the cover back. So I'm not sure there's a micro switch somewhere. Anyways, check, doesn't work. Stop doesn't work. Power off, on doesn't work. Only when you put the cover back. Straight away the disc come out. I mean the cassette. I guess now we need to find some remotes. Okay, so this is my collection of remote controls. Now I need to find remotes that work with the VHS recorders. We have Sony here, and the ones we have Sony, Samsung, and Panasonic. So there should be some here that work. I do have few more here and there. I just need to look for them. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.